Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer videos from your iPhone to your PC. The first thing you gotta do is go to the App Store, download the VLC Media Player. Type in get here once you've downloaded it. Now once you've downloaded it, you want to first connect to the Wi-Fi and make sure that your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then once you've connected it, go to the bottom right and click on Network. And then click on sharing via Wi-Fi. Also keep in mind of this IP address under sharing via Wi-Fi, you're going to use it in the next step. Okay, now exit the VLC Media Player, go to your Photos app and choose the video you want to share. So click on the video, click on the bottom left icon to share it, click on Save on my iPhone, and then click on the VLC and then click Save. Then after that, you want to open the browser on whatever computer you're going to use and type in the IP address that you just had on your VLC Media Player on your iPhone. And this will open up, and from here you can download the file you just uploaded. You can also click on the giant plus sign in the top right and browse and find files that you want to upload back to your iPhone, or you can just click and drag them onto this browser and you will upload them to your iPhone and download them from the VLC player. And that is it. That is how you share files via iPhone without a cable.